Honestly, I don't think there's such a thing as a useless member in our team. Each one of us contributed in our own way, and those contributions, whether small or big, were valuable to the success of our group. Some of us were more active in sharing ideas, while others were more focused on handling details or helping organize what we already had. There are also times when someone may not talk as much, but their presence and support still matter because it motivates the team to keep going. For me, teamwork is not about comparing who did more or less. It's about how we combine our effort and respect what each person brings to the table. Even the smallest task, like gathering information or reviewing our work, plays an important role. If one person didn't do their part, no matter how small it is, the whole project wouldn't be possible. That's why I don't see anyone as useless. Instead, I see a group of people with different strengths and weaknesses who learn to balance and help each other out. What I value most about our group is that we work not just as individuals, but as a team that supported and helped one another. And in the end, that teamwork is what made our project amazing and stronger. Just like how our fitness apps promote health and balance, our group showed that when people value each other and work together, the result is something much more greater what one person alone can achieve.